Welcome woodpeckers! I'm Martin Jensen and today I'm going to show you how to put this Viking into a wood piece like this. And mostly we'll be using a router. Now, at this first part I call it the draw. And you need the piece of wood to draw on that you're gonna cut out. You need some measuring devices. I got crappy gear, I'm sorry. A pencil, something to take it away with, a calculator, and I did a printout of the Viking. Next part is now to find the right multiplier, and in this case my multiplier is 1.35. That makes me being able to use the whole width of the wood. I like to make a grid, so I measure his length 27.2 multiplied by 1.35 equals 36.5, more or less. This is my working space. As you can see here, he's got different levels on his helmet, and you could, just by looking at it, see this. The levels closest to me I will call level 1, and this is 1, this is 1. But I see here the eyes, I will call them 2. That's the next level, so I have to work a bit deeper in with the router. And this part will be level 3 because it's even further back than the eyes. This will be level 3, and here is really dark, and I could go with, this is the last layer, that will be layer 4. This will create a good depth in your Viking figure. The second step now will be to transfer the different parts onto this using the measurements with this ruler and with the multiplier. Now it's router time, and I will follow the outlines I have drawn. have done the most important parts now, and the first one is drawing it correctly. Second is shaping it without too many mistakes. You can make some mistakes and it should be okay, but too many, now it's more or less the brush up, and it's not that important, but so I could finish this kind of up now with the paint or the burning method I often use, but I always like to shape it a bit more and do a bit more with it than normally what I see on the paper. So let's get to it. Yeah, don't use this chainsaw thing. Don't do it. All right, the Viking is done. I'm pretty happy about him. As you can see, drawing is very important for the whole process, because if you draw the wrong thing, the wrong line, it will be wrong when you get to the router, and then you'll end up with you know, something that can scare the birds off. And blonde beard, I painted it black back here in order to make it more depth and to bring out the beard more. Here, the helmet, I gave him a layer of oil, and that is because then you'll see the helmet's wooden pieces, these things here, much better, and I think it looks great on him. White eyes, just like we do have, and yeah, now it's your turn. So get into your garages, bring out your gear, and I'll see you soon.